In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the living weapon title here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go ahead and make your way over to these teleporters, interact with it, and make your way to Shibuya Station. Once you spawn at Shibuya Station, look specifically for the Cursed Vessel boss, and to unlock this title, essentially what you need to do is defeat the Cursed Vessel multiple times. So just go ahead and keep defeating the Cursed Vessel over and over and over again. It takes about 5 minutes to spawn in, so just keep that in mind. And you got to do this about 35 times, but you can also check the title menu by selecting Inventory, Titles, finding the living weapon title on here, and then of course you can go ahead and click on it, and I'm just going to use any of these as an example. If it's locked, it'll tell you exactly what you need to go ahead and do in order to get it again. But that's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.